Today, I'll make some Hong Kong style milk tea. I have some tea leaves and 2 kettles, which have built-in tea infusers and can be used on gas stoves. I'll first put 4 tablespoons of tea leaves in one kettle and add over a litre of boiling water to the other kettle. I'll then rinse the tea leaves by pouring the water back and forth between the kettles through the tea leaves at least 4 times. I can place the kettle with the tea and leaves on the stove and turn up the heat. Once the tea starts to boil, remove the cover and let it boil for 3 minutes. Let's rinse the tea leaves 4 more times. Then I'll bring the tea to a boil again. Once the tea starts to boil, turn down the heat and let it simmer for half an hour. Rinse the tea and leaves 2 more times and it's ready to serve. I fill 3/4 of a cup with tea, the rest with evaporated milk, add some sugar to taste, stir thoroughly, and enjoy. You can also enjoy it chilled. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please remember to click the bell as well. I'll see you soon.